When we purchased the property, it was in disrepair. It had been basically not truly abandoned, but close. It was not an improved farm anymore.
What was really exciting about Goldcrest was we had talked to farmers that were out here in the 80s and 90s, and the farm was irrigated and they were growing rice and corn, but because of neglect and poor management of the previous owners, the farm had fallen apart.
We're in an area where we do get 42 to 48 inches of annual rainfall a year. The problem is it's during the winter months. So we really need irrigation during the cropping season. So we were able to come in with the assistance of Valley and look at total development of the farm based on irrigation and drainage. So we were able to come in and look at the acres where we wanted some land forming so we can have rice production, and where the acres did not suit that because of either soil profile or drainage issues, we were able to put pivots on the remaining of the farm. So we ended up with about 7,500 acres of flood and over 12,000 acres of irrigation under citron pivots that are Valley 8000 series. So this property scalability was very important. We were able to put in large pump stations, large relift stations for the irrigation component. By doing that, the scalability and the sheer size allowed us to do this. We could not economically build such a pump station for 1,000 acres. But on these large tracts, we're able to pump large volumes of water and spread it out, so we're more efficient with our electricity, with our diesel, overall with our fuel economy. So everything there, the scalability allowed us to build bigger, better, more efficient. So that rolls into water sustainability. We were able to take this and spread that volume across vast acres, again, lowering our input cost and also increasing our efficiency.
When we saw this project, we knew the irrigation was going to be critical for this operation, and it was going to be really diverse and a complicated deal. You don't just irrigate this large of a farm that had really little infrastructure to begin with. So we worked with Valley. Valley came on, and it's been a complete team effort. The early design works that they did, through all the engineering, through the dealer and the construction that has been going on for the last couple of years. In completing this project, it has been total partnership between Goldcrest and Valley. For our growers, it's hopefully putting money in their pocket. Labor is becoming more difficult to find, resources are more scarce, and when you find them, they're more expensive. So through state-of-the-art technology, we've been able to take that acre that had been only maybe growing 100 bushel corn. Now we've taken an acre and doubled that production. And we did it in a sustainable way. This farm has got it going where water is inexpensive. We have large scale, so there's not a lot of moving around, so it's less labor for the farmers. So we see this as an opportunity for ag to develop and grow in this particular area.